Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use LinkedIn Learning in 2026. LinkedIn Learning is an online platform where you can take professional courses, earn certificates, and develop new skills for your career. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account. From the top menu, click **learning**, or visit the LinkedIn Learning section directly. If you have a premium subscription, you'll have full access to thousands of courses. Some free courses may also be available for all users. Once you're on the learning page, use the search bar to find a course. You can search by topic, skill, software, or career path. Browse the results and click on a course that interests you. Before starting, you can read the course description, check the instructor's profile, view the lesson list, and see the estimated completion time. Click Start Course * to begin learning. The videos are divided into short lessons, making them easy to follow. You can pause, rewind, or skip lessons whenever you want. Some courses also include quizzes, exercise files, and learning assessments to help you practice your skills. As you complete lessons, LinkedIn automatically saves your progress, so you can continue later from where you left off. When you finish the entire course, you'll receive a certificate of completion that can be added directly to your LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills to recruiters and employers. You can also save courses for later, create learning goals, and receive personalized recommendations based on your interests and career. Regularly completing courses is a great way to keep your profile active and improve your professional knowledge, and that's how to use LinkedIn Learning in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.